Do you love coffee? That intoxicating aroma that greets you in the morning, the rich flavor that dances on your tongue, the comforting warmth of the mug nestled in your hands. Today, we're going to explore that love, diving deep into the science and art of coffee making. This isn't just about pouring hot water over ground beans. Oh no! It's about the intricate dance of chemistry and physics that turns simple water and beans into something magical. It's about the artistry and skill that goes into every step, from selecting the perfect beans to the final pour. Throughout this journey, we'll unravel the complexities, the nuances, and the subtleties that go into brewing the perfect cup of coffee. We'll discover what makes each cup unique and how you can elevate your own coffee-making skills. So, sit back, maybe with a cup of coffee, as we dive into the world of coffee making. Have you ever wondered about the science that goes into brewing your morning cup of coffee? Let's delve into the captivating world of coffee chemistry. It all begins with extraction, the process of pulling flavors from the coffee grounds. This is where water, the universal solvent, plays a crucial role. When hot water meets coffee grounds, it dissolves the sugars, oils and acids that give coffee its distinct flavor. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all flavors extract at the same rate. First come the fruity and acidic notes, followed by sweetness, and finally bitterness. The balance of these flavors is determined by the extraction time. Too short, and your coffee could taste sour. Too long, and it might end up overly bitter. Temperature, another key player, can also drastically change the taste of your coffee. Hotter water speeds up extraction. A higher temperature might bring out brighter, acidic notes, while a lower one could result in a sweeter, fuller-bodied brew. Now let's talk about grind size, the unsung hero of coffee making. The size of the coffee grounds affects the surface area exposed to water. Coarser grinds mean less surface area, causing slower extraction, while finer grinds increase the surface area for a quicker extraction. This is why espresso, which uses fine grinds, brews in seconds, while your French press, with its coarser grinds, takes a few minutes. But remember, each coffee bean is unique, with its own set of flavors waiting to be unlocked. The optimal extraction time, temperature, and grind size can vary, depending on the origin, variety, and roast of your beans. So the next time you brew, remember this dance of chemistry that unfolds in your cup. It's not just about getting your caffeine fix. It's about understanding and appreciating the intricate science that makes your coffee more than just a drink. As you can see, there's a lot more to your morning cup of joe than meets the eye. Now that we've explored the science, let's delve into the art of coffee making. The art of coffee making is a process steeped in creativity and skill, a dance between the barista and the bean. It's a ritual as old as time, yet one that continues to evolve and surprise. The first brushstroke in this art form starts with the choice of beans. Much like a painter chooses his colors, a barista selects the beans that will provide the perfect balance of flavor and aroma. From the robust, chocolatey notes of Colombian beans to the fruity, wine-like undertones of Ethiopian ones, each bean brings its unique personality to the coffee artistry. Next comes the method of brewing. The French press, the pour-over, the espresso machine. Each tool is an artist's instrument, wielded with precision and care. The brewing technique can dramatically alter the final masterpiece, with variables such as water temperature and brewing time playing a pivotal role in shaping the coffee's character. And then there's the presentation. The art of coffee making is not just about taste, but also about the visual delight. A beautifully executed latte art, or the perfect creamer on an espresso shot, are visual testaments to the barista's skill, adding an aesthetic dimension to the coffee experience. But what truly elevates coffee making to an art form is its capacity for personalization. Just like an artist's style, every coffee lover has their unique preferences. Some might savor the bold intensity of a straight shot of espresso, while others may prefer the comforting embrace of a creamy latte. The art of coffee making is about catering to these individual tastes, creating a symphony of flavors that resonates with the drinker's palate. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember the artistic endeavor that went into making it. Each cup is a masterpiece, a testament to the creativity and skill of the barista. It's a beautiful blend of science and art, a harmonious dance that results in the perfect cup of coffee. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee. So how can you apply this knowledge to brew the perfect cup of coffee at home, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. First off, the magic begins with your beans. Opt for freshly roasted beans whenever possible. The fresher the beans, the more vibrant and robust your coffee will taste. And remember, coffee is a fruit. Treat it as such. Next, grind your beans just before brewing. Why, you ask? Because coffee grounds start to lose flavor as soon as they're exposed to air. So, grinding right before you brew ensures that you're getting the most out of your beans. Now, let's talk about water temperature. The sweet spot is between 90 and 96 degrees Celsius. Any hotter and you risk over-extracting your coffee, leading to a bitter taste. Any cooler and you'll under-extract it, resulting in a weak and underwhelming cup. But here's the fun part. Experiment. Play around with different variables like the coffee-to-water ratio, the grind size, and even the brewing method itself. You might just stumble upon a unique combination that brings out the best in your coffee. And finally, always remember to clean your equipment. Coffee leaves behind oils that can build up over time and affect the taste of your brew. Remember, the key to a great cup of coffee is in the details, so pay attention to them and you'll be well on your way to brewing perfection. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee. We've explored the science and art of coffee making, but there's always more to learn. As we've seen, coffee brewing is a blend of science and artistry, a dance of flavors and aromas. So continue your exploration, continue your experiments. Each cup you brew brings you one step closer to your perfect cup. Remember, the journey to coffee perfection is a personal, rewarding voyage filled with delightful discoveries and rich experiences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.